Hey, so today we're going to be putting this Loctite type foam around the window we installed last week. And this is basically, well, it's a sealant.
The cool thing about it is it's not going to bow your windows and doors. So when you spray it around, there's not going to like and crush everything, like your hopes and dreams.
Nifty. So, just... I think I just got myself.
So it comes with this little nifty thing. You just take off the top. Oh. And you spray it on. Bada bam. And then you shake. For like 30 seconds to a minute. You want it on the rocks. You want it stirred, not shook. Okay. That's my little makeshift curtains, and so I put the casing on the window. It's just a like a shower curtain rod with my curtains on it until I put blinds. And how cute is that little handle? Oh, so cute. Okay, anyway.
Basically, we're just gonna spray it around the window for privacy purposes. I took a just one of these like twisty do curtain rods. Ah, help! There we go. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Anyway. Okay, so you're going to take this nifty straw and stick it all the way in the back. And,
Supposed to be able to, wow. There we go. Okay. Hold L trigger. Woo, that is strong. There's some airflow in here. Ah! Okay. Get it in the back there. That's what we want here.
I think I'm getting high.
look at that. Gorgeous. Same thing around the side here. Okay. Try to get it so you can see. So it's a little heavy-handed, obviously, but don't wipe it off. We're gonna cut it off with a blade once it's all dry, and we'll make it look nice and pretty so we can get the casing on the window. Okay, so with all that extra, we're gonna go in with this X-Acto knife.
You know, I don't think I'd ever be able to tell you who it belongs to either. Bless your heart.
So yeah, you just want to go around and clean up the edges, clean up all that extra stuff with your blade like this. We're going to be putting casing or trim around the window. Check back for a video possibly.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you later.